So welcome back standard 9. We are in exercise 2.4. So exercise 2.4 question 1. Exercise 2.4 question 1. In that is stated multiply. Multiply. First one is root 3 into bracket root 7 minus root 3. So this multiplication is a simple thing. So by this root 3 I will multiply to root 7 and by root 3 I will multiply to root 3. So I will first of all root 3 into root 7, this way I will write. Next is minus sign. Now this root 3 into this root 3. Root 3 into root 3. So that is equal to, this is nothing but radical sign is same, root 3 into root 7. So I will write it in root 3 into 7 minus this is root of 3 into 3. So that is equal to, now nothing can come out of this, 7 3 are 21 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. So this is the answer for this. Now the next sum of the same question, second one. Root 5 minus root 7 into root of 2. So this is also same. Here in this case, this root 3 was given on the left side. Here this root 2 is given on the right side. It is one and the same. If for your convenience you can write like this. Root 2 into root 5 minus root 7. So you can simplify it like this. Root 2 into root 5, this multiplication, minus, now this and this multiplication, root 2 into root 7. So that is equal to, now in the same radical sign I will write root 2 into 5 minus root 2 into 7. So this is equal to root 5 into 2 is root of 2 into 5, that is root of 10 minus this is root of 7 to the 14. This way you can solve the sums. Now the third one, that is the important sum. I will rub this. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take the screenshot. I will rub and write the next sum. The third one, it is somewhat bigger. That's why I am making the space clear. Third is 3 root 2 minus root 3 into another bracket 4 root 3 minus root 2. Now here in the earlier sum, here there was only one number. Now here there are two numbers. So means by these two numbers I have to multiply this bracket. So first of all I will write like this, 3 root 2 into this whole bracket, into this second bracket, 4 root 3 minus root 2. Now by this root 3 I have to multiply, but it is minus root 3 into the whole bracket 4 root 3 minus root 2. So try to understand this. By this I have multiplied by to this bracket, and then by this root 3 I have multiplied this whole bracket. That I have just written separately. Now actually I am going to do the multiplication. That is equal to, now this into this, 3 root 2 into 4 root 3. This multiplication minus 3 root 2 into root 2. 3 root 2 into root 2. Now this part is over. Now by minus root 3 I have to multiply this. Minus root 3 into 4 root 3. This minus and this minus. Minus into minus, it will become plus. So multiplication of the same sign is always positive. So that rule I have used. Now root 3 into root 2. That is equal to. Now see, these are the real numbers 3 and 4. Do the multiplication of the real numbers. So this is 3 into 4 into. Now this is in the root, so that I will write root of 2 into 3 minus this 3 and here it is 1, so no need to write that 1. So 3 into this will be root 2 into root 2, means in the single radical sign 2 into 2 minus. Now here it is 1 and here it is 4. 4 ones are 4, and this will be in the single radical sign 3 into 3 plus. Now there is nothing outside, it is 1, here it is 1, 1 ones are 1, so no need to write 1 ones are 1, and the single radical sign 3 into 2. That is equal to, now 3 4s are 12, root under root 2 into 3 is 6 minus this 3 and root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2, a pair, minus 4. This again root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus, and this is root 6. Now see that this one part and this one part is same. I will bring them together. 12 root 6 plus root 6. Like terms I have collected together. Minus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12. Okay. So that is equal to, this is 12 root 6 plus 1 root 6. That is nothing but 13 root 6. How it has come? Take this root 6 common from this side. Here remains 12. And here this is taken, means here 1 is remaining plus 1. So minus 12 and minus 6 both have the same signs. So addition and give that same sign. Adding 12 plus 6 is 18 and the same sign, that's why it will be minus. In the multiplication, if it is the multiplication minus 6 into minus 12, then it will be minus into minus plus. But for addition, if it is same signs, the addition will be with the same sign. That means minus 6 minus 12, that is equal to minus 18. So 12 plus 1, 13, root 6 and minus 18. This way, this sum is over. Hope that you have understood this. In the exercise 2.3 also we have seen that rationalize the denominator. In this also there is one question on this rationalize the denominator, that also we are going to see now. Question 2. rationalize the denominator. Rat the denom means rationalize the denominator. What is this? First one, number 1 I will take 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. And the question is rationalize the denominator. In the earlier question in exercise 2.3, what it was? It was only, suppose like this, 9 upon root 7, like this it was. So what we did, multiply and divide by root 7. Root 7. So here in the denominator there are two numbers. Earlier it was only single number. Now how to do this? What to do is, we have to find the conjugate of this denominator. Conjugate means, what it means by conjugate? If I change this sign, if it is plus here, I will make it minus, and that number will be the conjugate. So root 7 minus root 2 is the conjugate of it, and multiply by it. So by multiplying means it will be like this, root 7, this root 7 plus root 2. That way I will multiply in the denominator. So the same action I have to do in the numerator also. So I will multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this. So that is equal to 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 into multiplying by conjugate, means root 7 minus root 2 is the conjugate. By that I am multiplying and dividing also, so that the value will remain the same. Okay. Now 1 into this will be same. 1 into this means root 7 minus root 2. By multiplying by 1, nothing changes. Now here it is a plus b and a minus b. It is the multiplication, and we know that a plus b and a minus b is a square minus b square. So this is root 7 square minus root 2 square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This rule I have applied. This is the identity. So that is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 square will be 7 minus root 2 square will be 2. How it is? See that root 7 its square is nothing but root of 7 into root of 7. That is means root of 7 into 7. And root of 7 into 7 means 2 times. So 1 will come out. This way it is. So that is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon 5. This is the final answer for this. Hope that you have understood this. Now one more sum I will take from this, and that will be the third sum directly, or okay, I will proceed ahead with the second sum now. The second one is 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So whatever may be the number, see in the denominator, change this sign, multiply and divide. That is our way of solving this. 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 multiply by and divide by the conjugate. So change this sign and that will be the conjugate. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. I will put the bracket to look it better. So that is equal to. Now multiply by this 3 to this and this. So 3 into 2 root 5. Now the sign is plus 3 into 3 root 2. 3 into 3 root 2. Hope that you have understood. Or if you don't want to multiply, then how you will write? Just the same way you will write, whatever it is. 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. The same way just we have written. Afterwards, if needed, we can multiply or we can keep as it is. Now this is a minus b and this is a plus b, means a square minus b square, means 2 root 5 bracket square minus 3 root 2 bracket square. So that is equal to this 3 under root 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2, and now this bracket square means 2 square 4 into root 5 square is 5 minus 3 square is 9 into root 2 square is 2, that is equal to 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 4 5 are 20 minus 9 to the 18, and that the last answer would be 3 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2. This is the answer for this. Hope that you have understood this sum also. So I am rubbing this. Now the next sum, the third one also is the same. This is you can do at home. 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3, that you do by your own. Just multiply by the conjugate. The fourth is a different for you that we will solve. Root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. This also is simple if you see properly. We have to rationalize the denominator. So change the sign of this denominator. So that is equal to root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. I have to find the conjugate of this, of the denominator, and the denominator's conjugate will be, change the between sign, so root 5 minus root 3 is the conjugate of that denominator. Multiply and divide by the same, minus root 3. Now in the numerator, root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3 means same into same is same square. So root 5 minus root 3 multiplied by twice means it is the bracket square upon. Now here it is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So root 5 square minus root 3 square. So that is equal to. Now a minus b bracket square, I have to use this formula. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this formula I have to apply here. A square means root 5 square. Root 5 square minus 2ab means multiplication of this. 2 root 5 into root 3. And plus b square means plus root 3 its square. So this way it will be. Upon root 5 square is 5 minus root 3 square is 3. So that is equal to 5 square. Root 5 square is 5 minus 2. Now we will do it directly. Root 5 into 3 is 15 plus root 3 square is 3 upon 2. So that is equal to, now this part I will do here. This was for your homework. So this 5 plus this 3 is 8 minus 2 root 15 upon 2. Now this is the denominator for this also and for this also. So separate, we can separate the denominator. Why? Because this is divisible. So 8 upon 2 minus 2 root 15 upon 2. So that is equal to 2 1s are 4 minus 2 2 cut root 15. So this is the answer. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 15. These 2 cut, these 2 cut. So 4 minus root 15 is the required answer for this sum. Hope that you have understood this. And here we will close this topic today. In the next video we will see with the remaining questions. No, this exercise is over already. Tomorrow we will see the exercise 2.5. Till then, bye and do the proper work. Get the success.